Latinx flavors. We eat them at school and in our homes. Family meals prepared from traditional recipes are essential for us. My name is Rosario, and my family is from Tecolotlan, Jalisco, Mexico. I have lived in Oregon for 4 years, but I always made sure my meals have that authentic Latino flavors I learned from my mom. She taught me how to grow and use herbs like epazote, cilantro, oregano, and mint. Fresh herbs grow all year in the warmer Latin American climate. We use them for everything: taquitos, lentil soup, and chile rellenos. We love being in our garden and growing herbs. The Oregon growing season is shorter and cooler than in Latin America. So to eat Latino flavor all year in Oregon, we preserve herbs by drying or freezing them. To dry oregano, we tie bouquets together and hand them. To freeze cilantro, we blend it with oil and freeze it in ice cubes. Then we use them to cook the recipes that go back for generations in our family. By preserving herbs, we enjoy the Latino flavors that we love. Oregon Harvest brings us all together. For more information about our cultural kits, search Oregon Harvest for Schools.